Dear viewers, are you looking to give your living room a modern upgrade? Transform your space with these 100 TV unit design ideas. TV unit designs are versatile pieces of furniture, adding practicality and aesthetics of the space. Our team of experts bring a plethora of TV cabinet design and materials, offering creative solution with plenty of storage and visual appeal to escalate the style quotient of your interiors. Whether you love a traditional look or minimalist flair, choose the desired stand and let your personality shine. A TV unit is the nucleus of the living room, uniting family and friends for cherished moments. Elevating the experience calls for the perfect TV stand. Thankfully, Interior Company brings you creative and stylish design ideas to amp up your room with a varied choice of materials. TV unit designs in the living room serve more than just a functional purpose. They can be a style statement piece, whether you are after a contemporary urban look or want to add a sleek of vibrance to your decor. We have got plenty of eccentric ideas for styling your TV wall unit design. Start off by choosing a chic cabinet TV stand with compartments or sliding doors that blend in with your living space. Keep things simple for small TV unit design ideas with minimal accessories such as books, flower vases, or other ornamental pieces that induce flair to your home interiors. Create your symmetry with wall-mounted TV unit designs by adding floating shelves on each side. Consider framing a pair of table lamps to incite an elegant look. Whether you are looking to furnish a wall TV unit design or have it sit on a stand, a TV console elevates your entertainment experience. Beyond the aesthetic purpose, it provides ample storage for media essentials and a space-saving solution to stash away any clutter. Moreover, TV unit interior designs oodles with style. From stunning TV unit designs above the fireplace to resist wall TV cabinet design or streamlined floating TV stands, we have got plenty of ideas that fit your requirements and invite alluring charm to the living space. Craft a TV cabinet design that is adaptable to your room size and serves both function and purpose. Consider storage, providing dedicated spots for your electronic gadgets and other media clutter. Choose the desired style, color, and materials that brightens your interiors. Decorate it with the plants, books, and candles for striking TV unit design. Arrange your TV cabinet as a focal point in the living room. Organize media devices and accessories within the cabinet for easy access and a clutter free look. TV units are crafted with solid wood, engineered wood, glass, and metal frames. Our team of experts designs sleek and understated forms, adding a unique look to the space. Neutral tones like white, black, gray, or wood finishes are versatile choices that make a statement in the home interiors. Consider the style and color that complements your living room decor. Think of the dimensions of your TV and the storage needs for media essentials. Floating shelves create a sleek and minimalist look, perfect for showcasing your favorite decor pieces. A wall-mounted TV unit with hidden storage is both functional and stylish, keeping clutter out of sight. Incorporate a built-in fireplace for a cozy and contemporary feel, adding warmth to your living room. Opt for a TV unit with a mix of open shelves and closed cabinets to display items while keeping others tucked away. Choose a TV unit with a combination of materials like wood, metal, and glass for a modern and chic vibe. Go for a minimalist design with clean lines and neutral color palette for a sophisticated look. Consider a TV unit with integrated lighting to create ambience and highlight your entertainment center. Mix and match different elements like textures, colors, and shapes to create a personalized and eclectic TV unit.